I look in the sky and I can see my good side floating away, selling the soul for some cheap gold. Girls choosing us, life on a tour bus, giving it up, cause quick fame make you bust a nut.
So, hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your boy Dre. I'm your hot dog. But anyway, what I'm here to talk about is, I need y'all to do me a favor. You know what I'm saying? I'm calm about it right now. I'm calm. So what I need y'all to do is, you know what I'm saying? I need y'all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can y'all do that for me? That's all I'm asking you to do. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm really trying to ask you to do. But if you can't do that, then I think we just might have us a problem. Because all I'm asking you to do is subscribe to my goddamn YouTube channel, okay? That's all I'm asking you to do. You feel me? It's just subscribe. Just click the goddamn subscribe button, okay? Take a bite of the hot dog. Calm down. Oh yeah, by the way, follow me on Twitter too. I'm new to the whole Twitter stuff, but follow me on Twitter. I had about 5 people follow me on Twitter since my last video. I need more than that. I need like 20 people follow me on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Maybe more than that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody follow me on Twitter. If you watch my videos, make sure you follow me on Twitter. Okay, all I'm asking you to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my goddamn YouTube channel, subscribe to my goddamn motherfucking Twitter, okay?
Okay. Y'all have a nice night. Signing out at 10:52 p.m. on a Friday night, October the 7th, 2011. Have a nice night. Have a blessed night. Amen.
I look in the sky and I can see my good side floating away, selling the soul for some cheap gold. Girls choosing us, life on a tour bus, giving it up, cause quick fame make you bust a nut.